In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Egnyte desktop app. We'll turn the web version into a convenient desktop-like app using your browser, so it opens in its own window and is easy to find on your computer. First, open your browser and search for Egnyte. Press Enter, then open the correct page you normally use to access your files. Make sure the site is fully loaded in its own tab before moving on. If you use multiple accounts or portals, double-check that you're on the right page for your organization and that you're signed in as you usually would. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu in Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. If you don't see it, maximize your window and confirm the tab you want is selected. With the menu open, hover over the Click, Cast, and Share section. Depending on your browser version, this area may appear with a small arrow and can have wording that's very similar, such as Save and Share, or a grouping that includes Cast and Share options. The key is that you're opening the submenu where the Install option lives. Now, click Install Page as App. A short prompt may appear, and then the page will install as a standalone app. You'll notice it opens in its own window without the usual browser tabs, which helps it feel like a native desktop application. Most systems will also add a shortcut to your Start menu or Applications folder, and you can pin it to your taskbar or dock for quick access. From now on, launching it will take you straight to your files without first opening a regular browser tab. You can resize and move this window like any other app, and it remembers where you left it. If notifications are available, you may be asked to allow them. Turning them on helps you stay on top of changes without keeping a browser tab open. If you change your mind, remove the app later from your system's apps list or your browser's app manager. If you don't see Install Page as App, refresh the page and try again, or check that you're using a supported, up-to-date browser like Chrome or a Chromium-based alternative. Some sites also show a small install icon in the address bar. Clicking that does the same thing. That's it. You searched for Egnyte to open your site, clicked the three-dot menu, hovered over the Click, Cast, and Share area, and selected Install Page as App. You now have a clean, focused desktop experience that makes staying productive simpler and faster.